Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with another unboxing of PR Happy Mail from Playing with Pizazz. You guys know I've been PRing for her for years. If you've been watching me, if you're new to my channel, welcome. So Playing with Pizazz, places to find her shop. She's on Instagram, she's on Facebook. We have a Facebook group. And then there's her Etsy shop link. So cute little business card. And then this is, oh yeah, she started the new rewards card. I forgot that. So your first one comes already on there, and then like you get rewards every time you order, and then it says collect all 5 giraffe logos and contact us on Etsy to redeem a $10 shop credit. So you can earn shop credit now with this little rewards card. I was like, yeah, she doesn't usually include a business card, but that's why, so that you have a reward system now. So use my discount code Leslie20 off for 20% off of $10, and you get this lovely yellow freebie for May. Now I do know May's about to come to an end. Basically, a new one will come out in a different color, and then she changes a few things like the functionals, but all of that pretty much stays the same, just in a different color. So like, I know we've had a red one and a purple one and a green one and now a yellow one. So that's kind of what she's been doing. I think she's going to keep doing that. So just stay tuned for what the next one is. And then if she's having a sale, you just mention Leslie in the note to seller, and then she'll include this in there. Okay, here's the Zazzy stickers. These are about $3 or $4, I think, for this whole sheet. They used to be longer. They were like this big, and the characters were a little bit bigger. I like this size. It fits in my little photo album thing that I use, the brag books, for stickers, and then I love the new size. Like, I like that it's smaller. It just fits in my planner better. Okay, and then I got this little, she's been doing these, what do you call it? What do you call these? Pocket size or traveler's notebook stickers, which I think are going to be awesome for my mini happy planner. So I'm excited about that. So I ordered a few of these. They're about $7. So this one's the panda one. Isn't that cute how it all like folds together? So there's the pandas. You have date covers, you have some quarter boxes, you have some headers, you have some full boxes, you have half boxes, some quarter boxes, some deco, weekend banner, habit tracker, some little mini checklists. I just think it's really perfect. So excited for those. So here's the panda one. And then I also got the cactus one, of course, because I have a cactus clip. I've had a panda clip. I might bring it back when I use that. So here's my cactus clip with the cactus kit. How perfect, right? I know. Love it. Love it. Okay, so that's super cute. Loving that one. And then the instead of the deco, she did like the little functionals with her Zazzy. So that's so cute. And then she did a different weekend banner. So that's fun. And then this one is called Cafe Couture. I can't say words. Okay, so this one's really cute. I love the date covers of the florals. This one says live on coffee and flowers. It's just so florally and beautiful, and I already have a clip in mind to design to go with this, so I'm super excited about that. There's a little cupcake and flowers and coffee. I might use this for my birthday in my mini happy planner because it's just so like beautiful. And she's a girl on her phone. It's so cute. So cute. Okay, so I wanted to definitely show you guys that because that's new to the shop and it's not too expensive. Then there's these mini kits. So this one is the pretty poppies, and poppies are pretty near to my heart because the orange poppy is the California poppy, and then daisies are really cute. I used to have a daisy clip in the shop. I don't have a poppy either, so maybe things to come. I don't know. But these ones are $7, I think. $7 or $8. It might be $8 because you get all these full boxes in the weekend banner. And then you get all the checklists and the half boxes, and then you have the today and to-dos. And then I thought, you know how I always have those extra glitter headers? I would just match that for the other ones that I need for like my little things, right? So I thought that would be really cute to use. Plus, I've been favoring green lately. Have you noticed? I don't know what that is. Okay, and then this one is the Seaside Getaway. So it's also a mini kit. Kind of showing you guys those. So I'm obviously not a white space planner, but it has enough of the checklist that I can go all the way across. The only thing I usually need is like a checklist on my sidebar. There's enough of those to have one on the side, so that's fine. There's enough half boxes to have on the side, so that's all fine. It's usually just the extra checklist box that I need, and I can find one of those pretty easily. Okay, now the full kits that I ordered was the Cafe Couture, because you guys know I love that so much, and I already have a clip in mind, and I feel like you guys are going to be excited about that. I didn't want to release it until after the sale because it was going to be like kind of to go with playing with Pizazz's kits, so I was like, don't really want to release this in a sale I'm doing with another shop, you know, so like that's why I didn't. If you're like, what? Okay. And no, it's not another coffee cup clip. We have a floral coffee cup in the shop already right now. It kind of matches the, I don't have one with me right now. It matches the floral fox. But anyway, so it'll be kind of, there's your hint right there, that right there. Okay, so here's the deco. This is the full kit. It's $20, but you get 20% off of $10. So there's that. And she's in charge of the Planners Collaborative sale. So in that sale, she usually does about 40% off. So here's the full box checklist. And then here's the full boxes. How beautiful. Oh, now a bow with pink dots. Now that would be cute too. See, there's the cupcake. And then it says the same quote that was in the mini kit. And then there's the big planner with the florals. It's just so cute. And then here's the headers and the half boxes. And then look at the washi tape. It's so beautiful. I love it. And then here's the date covers and the date dots. And then little script functionals, and you have 4 habit trackers. And then see what I'm saying? There's like extra checklists here. So like I can always grab something that'll match. Honestly, this beige one might match that other Seaside kit. Anyway, so there you go. So this one's the Cafe Couture. I can't say words. It's too fancy. But this one I love, love, love. Okay, then this one she and I kind of collabed on because we said, she's like, can you do a clip for this? And I said yes. And so then I wasn't gonna do a clip like this year. I've done it in the past, but I just felt like it didn't turn out right, but this year it did. So this is her mermaid kit. I think she called it, what did she call it? Is it on here? Mermaid Kisses. That's what she called it, Mermaid Kisses, because they all look like they're making little kissy faces. So for this one, I did a mermaid tail, and it's been out for a while. So, and so with her kit, it just took me a while doing unboxing, and I think she already did her spread, and there you go. So as far as that goes, this is I made it to go with this kit. So it's kind of a scene. So this is the characters, like in deco. And then here's the full boxes and a sidebar kind of thing. So, I mean, it's not the sidebar, but it is, because like this is your quote sticker. And so then those kind of go together as far as that goes. So there's no checklist. This is like what the checklist box was. And they're connected like this. Okay, and then this one is double full boxes, and they go vertically. So you kind of have to see how you're gonna plan. So I feel like this has to go on the left side, and then this goes on the right side. She already has a picture of it on her Instagram on how she did it, but I feel like it's gonna be a definite, like, different way to plan. Anyway, oh, she did include the checklist. Oh, she did. Okay. There's like several different ways to do this. So here's the checklist. That's interesting. Okay, I thought these were instead of the checklist, but they're not. Okay. Oh, I wonder if that's in case like you just want to do part of it. I don't know. I'll have to look at her spread again. This is Mermaid Kisses and Sunshine Wishes. Isn't that cute? Okay, so here, I didn't think these were in here, but they are. There she is. There's a little face. So cute. And then here's the half boxes. Love the turtle. So cute. And then here's the washi. And then here is the date covers and date dots and like more of those heart boxes. So cute. Okay. So I'm excited to see how this turns out, because it's like, I feel like there's an extra sheet to kind of like figure out how you want to use it. So that's kind of fun. So definitely grab this and grab that so they all match together and you'll be set. Okay, so thanks for watching. That's the end of this haul video. I hope you enjoyed it. I feel like I show a pretty good variety of what she's got as far as like little functional sheets. She has several different ones that are this size, and then the new TN kits, I wanted to make sure that I got to show you guys those. So thanks for watching. Give this video a like and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.